Hey everyone, we're live here at Kennedy Space Center and we're right next to the Atlantis building, and just wanted to walk around and share with you what it looks like at the visitors complex. This right here is the external tank for the space shuttle and solid rocket boosters, and this is the entrance to the Atlantis. So as we walk around, I'll talk to you a little bit about what to expect when you come to Kennedy Space Center. If you come here during the summertime, it can be pretty hot and that sun is brutal, so make sure you wear your sunscreen, drink lots of water. As you can see, it's a pretty day out today. Blue skies, and we're right on the coastline. There's a lot to do here at Kennedy Space Center if you're into the rocket and technologies. There's a bus tour area, as you can see straight ahead, and this is where you pick up your buses, and this is where you get dropped off right here. And there's two locations to have lunch. You have the Orbit Cafe and also the Saturn V building. We're just gonna walk around, let you take a good look and see a little bit of everything. They also have the IMAX Theater where they have 3 to 4 movies daily. The bus tour is really good. It takes you to the Saturn V building so you can see that giant moon rocket they have over there. And as we walk along, you'll see a little bit more. There's the rocket garden. Also, you get to meet a live astronaut and have a question and answer session with them, as long as there's a lecture as well. There's all kinds of other opportunities. You can come here for rocket launches. You can also have special tours, lunch with an astronaut, a little bit of everything. But we are at Kennedy Space Center Visitors Complex, and Excursions provides ticket and transportation. Right now it is $109 for adults, $99 for children, and that is for your transportation from Orlando to Kennedy Space Center while you're here on holiday. So this is where you pick up the bus tours, and here you get to go see launch pads. You also get to see the Saturn V building, which holds the large moon rocket. And the visitors complex is pretty good size. It would take you about 6 to 8 hours to visit. It opens up at 9 a.m. daily and closes at 5 p.m. So you can get a good mix in of 8 hours. So we're going to walk into the center of the visitors complex and walk over to the rocket garden, which is straight ahead. You can see some of those rockets. Those are the ones that they used in the program when they first got started. Now remember, when a rocket goes up, it doesn't come back down. So these rockets were never used, but they are real rockets. And that's considered the rocket garden because you can see they're all standing up on edge. There's the astronaut training experience, the Mars rover program, also the future and journey to Mars, and gives you a good aspect of everything here at Kennedy Space Center, especially if you come here to see a launch as well. It's really cool. Anyway, I just wanted you to get a good taste of it. There are bathrooms. There's also another little cafe over here, the Rocket Garden Cafe, which just opened up a couple years back. So you can go there for food as well. And for the kiddies, there is a playground. Lots of interactions to do with students and your kids as well. So hopefully you enjoyed this. If you like ice cream and that, there's a lot of little snack shops here and there. You got the Dippin' Dots, you can see ahead, Space Dots. And also the Astronauts and Heroes program, which is a nice museum for all the astronauts that have participated. All right, so hopefully you enjoyed just seeing a quick walkthrough of the main visitors complex. Again, the bus tour going to the Saturn V building. Plan about 2 to 3 hours to do that. And the visitors complex, you could plan another 2 to 3 hours here watching IMAX movies, seeing the presentations at the Atlantis building, and a little bit of everything. And also there's another museum piece that's called Nature and Technology. The cool thing about Kennedy Space at Merritt Island Wildlife Refuge. So it's home to a lot of endangered species and many different species throughout the year. So you can see everything from manatees to alligators, bald eagles, and more. So hopefully you enjoyed this quick video, and we're going to leave it right here at the Rocket Garden.